Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. In this video, we're making yams with an old-fashioned taste or sweet potatoes with an old-fashioned taste. No matter what the name, to me they always taste the same. Okay, I already went ahead and drained all the liquid off my yams. Go ahead and put those in the pan. You want to spread them out a little bit. There we go. Half a cup of water. Maybe a little bit more just to cover the pan. There we go. You're going to need some brown sugar. And you want to preheat your oven to 350. Just kind of spread that on. Now when you do this, what you want to not do is like make two layers of sweet potatoes or yams. Take some white sugar. Now I'm using Parkay just due to the fact that I like Parkay better than butter. You can use butter, you can use margarine. If you use that stick butter or margarine, just put in those slices on top. Then we got ourselves some ground cinnamon. A little bit of that. There we go. Ooh, that was a little too much. It'll be alright though. Now we're going to stick this in the oven at 350 for 45 minutes. Some people put marshmallows on top. I'm not a big fan of that. If you want marshmallows on top, now's the time to put them on. Okay, it's been 45 minutes. What we're going to do is take this, gently dump it into a container or a bowl. There we go. Stir it up a little bit. Now, I can't tell you how good the house smells right now. It's actually quite amazing. But as you can see, it's quick, simple, easy, and trust me, it's going to taste great. Once again, if you like marshmallows, you could have added marshmallows to them. I just don't like marshmallows with my yams or sweet potatoes. Okay, do me a favor, click on that subscribe button. As always, thank you for watching.